Dude, hey.
What?
Right over there.
Alright, cover me, man. Hey,
Go ahead. Both of you.
Alright, we gotta get down this side. Alright, ready? Let's get up to this next building.
Reload.
Ready?
How are we looking?
Cover me, I'm going up to the
All right.
next building quickly.
Alright, go!
Alright, where's this building?
I think it's that one right there.
I see it. Let's get down to
Careful,
it.
there's guys down
Let's get across, ready?
Wait.
There's no one down there. 1, 2, 3. Is that the building, Bon?
That
one?
Yeah.
2, 3.
You want me to cover us?
Need a mag?
No, I got mag. Please, boy.
Let's get in
Don't
there.
ask if I have a mag.
Guys,
Out the flag.
They're coming to respawn. That means they're going to come alive right there.
you guys feeling running across to that respawn?
Let me get a
Not
second.
camp to
No.
respawn.
Yeah, let's go.
Alright, ready? He's gonna come alive in 3.
One.
There's a couple guys in that building right there.
Can't stay in your respawn. You got to fight outside of it.
Alright, he's gotta move, guys. Let's see that. Where's Maya?
Go.
There's Maya. Watch this.
Watch your window.
Fuck.
We don't know. It's already in. It's already down.
Maya's out.
Here. I'll cover our left.
Okay. Maya's in. Maya's in.
Hit!
Where you hit from? Shit, they're coming in.
They're coming there right